Hi, this is Mr. Manley. In this video, I'm going to do a quick application of properties of logarithms to evaluate a couple of expressions. And I'm also going to use what we understand the log operation to be in order to finish the evaluation. Taking number A here, or letter A, the properties of logarithms say that I can rewrite this second term as log base 5 of 3 squared. So this 2 here can become the coefficient, or the coefficient 2 can become the power of the argument. And this is a property of logarithms that we know. From there, it's not too difficult to simplify it to log base 5 of 45 divided by 9. Of course, 3 squared is 9. And using the subtraction property, I can write 45 over 9. And simplifying from there, log base 5 of 5. And finally, we're going to use our understanding of the log operation to evaluate this. What is log base 5 of 5? We may understand that the way that the log operation works, or how the operation works, is we are asking what power is the base raised to get the argument. Here, what power do I raise 5 to in order to get 5? And obviously, the power is 1. So this entire expression here actually simplifies to 1. Now let's move on to B. For B, I have ln of e to the negative 9 plus ln e to the 5th. I've got a plus here, so I am going to multiply the arguments. This is called the product property. So let's take a look at that, maybe with an extra step here, saying that I'm multiplying e to the negative 9 times e to the 5th with the product property of logarithms. When I'm adding two log expressions that share the same base, I multiply the arguments. I don't know if I said add earlier. I might have, but we multiply the arguments. Multiplying the arguments, we simply used the properties or the laws of exponents, ln, and then I have a common base of e to the negative 9th times e to the 5th. So I'm going to add the exponents, and I'll get e to the negative 4. Hopefully we understand that ln is log base e. So again, using our understanding of how the log operation works and what it means, the question that's being asked here in order to evaluate this expression is what power is e raised to in order to get e to the negative 4th. And that is clearly going to be a negative 4. So while these exercises are asking us to use the property of logarithms to evaluate each expression, we are doing that, but at the very end, in the final step, we need to understand how the log property works.